Now we are going to know xDSL product in TP-Link. TP-Link has products that are supporting ADSL and other supporting single band VDSL and VDSL and VDSL with VoIP solution. Let's see and compare between the products. If we can see here, we can see that in common between all the products that we have RG11 port, which is common on xDSL products. But what is different from one product to other product, that the LAN ports, maybe 3 ports or 4 ports, also the wireless rate and the wireless standard supported and the DSL standards. So we have here some products supporting ADSL 2 plus and VDSL and VDSL 2 plus. Let's see now the difference between VDSL products in TP-Link. We have VR300, VR400, 600, 900, 2800, 2100. So what is the difference between them? As we mentioned before, that RG11 port is common in all xDSL products. So we have RG11 ports in all the routers. Plus we have some enhanced router with UPS port. I will tell you after that what is the advantage of this USB port. Now if we compare the wireless rate, we have some supporting wireless rate in dual band 300 megabit per second and 867 megabit per second, and this is up to 1300 megabit per second and 2167 megabit per second. So when we have more external detachable dual antenna, we have more speed. So we have here 4 antenna, 3 antenna, 3 external antenna, 4 external antenna. As we see here that VDSL products are supporting the latest wireless standard up to AC, and they are supporting the DSL standard VDSL 217A, and we have the latest model VR2100 that's supporting VDSL 235B. Now if we are looking of DSL product with VoIP feature. So what VoIP feature mean? VoIP feature mean that you can put VoIP telephone and connect it to the router, and you can make any calls from your IP phone. As we can see here that TP phone app supported for all DSL product with VoIP feature. Now we are going to the configuration mode of TP-Link xDSL products. First we have Modem Router. Modem Router, this is share internet access simultaneously. So we need to dial up on Modem Router and different PC so it can access internet when they are wired modem. And the smartphone can connect to the modem by wireless. Second mode is the bridge mode. When we are using our modem as a bridge to turn xDSL connection to the Ethernet connection, so we just need to go to advanced network internet and delete all the other entries here and add bridge entry for different DSL. As we see here, this is after we turn our modem into bridge mode. We need to connect the main router, so we want to use behind the modem, then dial for the internet with the router so that the router can get the public IP address directly. Third mode, which is the common mode used here in Saudi Arabia, this is wireless router mode. When we want to use Wi-Fi connection, we need to use modem router with Wi-Fi feature, which is wireless mode router. So after changing to wireless router mode from the operation mode here, we can take the modem as common wireless router. After that, we can connect the LAN 4/1 port. So we can connect to the Ethernet port of the front device or Ethernet port supported by ISP. So we have here the diagram is like this. Now we are going to the installation steps. So first, as we see here in this, first we attach the antenna of the router, then we connect the phone cable to the DSL splitter. Then from the DSL splitter we connect the phone cable to the router. Then we push into turn the modem router. Then we verify the following leads that are stable, that power and DSL. So DSL light take up to from 1 to 2 minutes until it stabilizes. As we can see here, this is the lead explanation example for router Archer VR 2080. This is an example. So for example, if we here for DSL, if it's on, that's mean DSL synchronization is complete. If it's flashing, so it's still in progress. It's off, so it's failed process, so we need to do the troubleshooting. So we can use this lead explanation guide to troubleshooting any problem from the DSL connection. Also, we can follow quick step configuration. So we can easily configure the modem to make it work and get the internet shared to behind the devices. So it's very easy steps from quick step. Then we choose the ISP list. Then we go to internet setup and put the username and password and confirm password. And also we should make sure of internet connection type PPPoE, and this protocol needs username and password. After that, we go to configure the wireless network name and password. After we finish, click next and then complete.